Hi, I'm Gary Strigler, a custom home builder and trim carpenter. For about the last 3 or 4 months, some buddies and I have been trying out DEWALT's new Oscillating Multitool. It's amazing how many of the jobs that we've struggled with in the past I'm getting done faster and more efficiently. So I'm going to be sharing with you some of the things that I've found, and we're going to be checking with my buddies and seeing how it's worked out for them too. So many times when I'm working on a stairway that I just take this multi-tool out and I'll remove a little bit of material there, make a little bit of notch maybe on a stair tread that's not quite going in the way I want it to go in. Again, there's just so many ways that having a tool that I can make a really fine, accurate cut and go straight in a plunge cut comes in handy.
All the others that I've used too, this one's been the best. I mean, it's a lot faster. It's a lot smoother. I cut some maple with it here just not too long ago, and that was the first time I used it. And I just couldn't believe how quick it went through that maple. It's like cutting butter.
The variable speed on it is really what makes the difference for me. With all the other ones I've ever had, you know, it's just you just turn it on and it goes, and then you're sitting here with it, you know, going 100 miles an hour trying to hit the grout line and not the tile. And that makes a big difference in what I do.
What I like about it is the long trigger on it, because on the other one I've been using, it has a small trigger and you can only use that one finger. This one, no matter where I grab it, I've always got access to the trigger, whether it's like this, cutting, using my thumb, no matter what way I grab it, I always get access to the trigger, which I love. When I get this casing on, and if there's a little bit of offset, I always want my joints all smooth whenever it's painted, where it finishes up good, and it's just popping that off, putting that on, and go to town sanding. It just, you know, the quicker you can hang it, you get paid by the door, the more money you make. 10 times faster than using a knife and a hammer. Probably sped up my door hanging like twice as fast through a house.